Now see the difference between let us see the difference between equity bonus and equity split. Okay, so let us say initially the stock price of a company is 100, number of shares are also 100, so market cap essentially becomes 10,000. Assuming bonus is of 1:1, meaning one additional share was issued for every share held by the shareholder, and equity split, let us say, is 2:1, meaning each share got divided into two shares. So on bonus, because the number of shares doubled, there is no fundamental change in the company. The number of shares will be 200 in both the cases, and the stock price will be 50, which will be half, to ensure that the market capital remains same, which is 10,000. Now both these effects do not have any fundamental changes, no events, no new business, no changes in operations. That's why it is critical to ensure that market cap remains same. So on the day the bonus or split gets effective, you would see the stock price correcting by half. Now what are the other impacts? Let us say the face value of the stock is 20. Okay, so after the bonus the face value still remains 20, but after the split the face value goes down to 10 rupees, because it is one share got split into two. That's why there is a breakup in the face value of the company. Next is, what is the impact on net worth? Okay, net worth remains same as earlier, it also remains same as earlier. What is the impact on equity capital? Now equity capital in this case becomes double the earlier one, because there was additional issue of equity. So equity capital will be given by number of shares into face value. So in this case the equity capital would have been 100 into 20. So if you multiply this number, the equity capital would be 2000, but in this case the equity capital becomes 4000. Now the case is different in case of split. Earlier what happened was, earlier the face value was 20, now the face value is 10. Earlier the number of shares were 100, and now the number of shares have gone double. So division impact in the face value is captured or reversed in the multiplication impact in the number of shares, so the equity capital remains same. So in this case the equity capital increases, and this effect is brought forth by transferring 2000 units of currency from general reserves to equity capital, whereas there is no need of such impact in this case. So that is the difference between bonus and split.